Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. Now, I'm doing this video on my camera. I'm not inside of the lab where I usually do this because I really wanted y'all to see this in real time. I do have a new device, right? This is for offline if you don't have internet, but you want to take your movies, your pictures, your music, whatever type of video format you want to take it with you. This device is right here, and let me show it to you. This is it. Let me get a little bit more light right here. This is the JLZNLC 4K Ultra HD media player. It's this device that's currently where you see this blue light right here. And I got it plugged into this power bank, which has been nice. I got this on Prime Day. This has been totally nice. But again, this device is for offline. You don't have no internet and you want to take some content with you. All right. The special thing about this device right here, and I'm going to point it out to you again. You can hook up a flash drive, right? And an external hard drive up to 8 terabytes. Again, up to 8 terabytes. But another thing you can do, which I did, and I'm currently doing right now, I went to Best Buy and got a 1 terabyte 2.5 SATA SD. All right. So let me show you that right here. I went here right and got this one. This is only a 1 terabyte, but it goes up to 8 terabytes if that's what you want to do. And when I'm telling you guys, and before I go ahead, and it's easy to put this in here, okay? They come with 4 screws, right? The device comes with a screwdriver. I already lost one because they so tiny, man. I lost it somewhere in the couch. But you just unscrew it. They got 4 of them on both sides. All right, hopefully you'll be able to see. You see that one right there. And then the other one is in the back. All right, you see it. You just unscrew it and you take it and insert it. Just like you do anything else, you take it and insert it, and it will read it. If not, you just have to format it on your computer, and you're done. But when I tell you guys, I don't know if the colors of the pictures, I don't know if it's going to show up like this. I just don't know. But man, when I tell you, the colors are beautiful, I don't know if it's going to show up on here. All right. The only knock on here, of course, these little cheaper media players. All right. And I think I paid like $60 for this one. They come with the IR remote. Y'all already know what it is with the IR remote. You got to point it directly at the source, which is this. All right. And then it will play. All right. You can control everything. And let me see if I can get a close-up. All right, let me see. All right, you can see it right there. I'll leave it out because it seems like when I get close, it wants to act up. But you got all your control buttons on here. You'll get it, volume up, volume down, all of that. And this is the power bank that I got. All right, I got this on Prime Day. I think I paid, what, like $60, $59, $60 for it. And again, the good thing about this, it got an AC that you can plug in. And yeah, so I got this plugged into here, and I've been playing this for about 5-6 hours straight. And when I started this bank was on 88%. So for 5-6 hours, right now it's showing 53% of energy left. But other than that, guys, this is truly an amazing device. One thing I'll tell you, as far as quality picture, this one is probably the best that I have. All right, so in the first column right here, this will give you your video. This one will give you your photo. All right, this one will give you your music. And for everything, if you just want to see everything that's on here, you go into your folder, and then you got, let me point it at the device, then you got your setting right here. All right. And that's just how easy it is. So if you go into your settings, of course, you can make some changes. As you see, it does play 4K at 60, which is very, 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 very nice. It's solid. It's not 120, but 60, you can't go wrong with that either. All right. But you can display, you can change it. You know, if you want, you can make some changes. Again, that is up to you. That's personal right there. So if you want it, if you want to zoom in, you want to display rotation, you can do all of these different modifications on your own. But to me, I just leave it at default because it's showing beautiful on this end. Depending on your monitor, now if you got a 1080p monitor, it's going to come out as 1080p. So in order to get 4K, true 4K, you need to be on a monitor, or your television need to be able to display 4K. All right. I tried it on another monitor, which this one is right here. I tried it on this monitor, but you know, this one only does 1080p. All right. And so I was looking just to make sure I was looking, and there it is. All right. So again, sorry for the shaking in this video, but I just wanted to get this out. All right. From here, let's go into videos, which is right here. All right. Hit that. It comes up as local C. And then you can go up in here, like if I wanted to see 4K movies, I can see what movies. I just watched Sinners. Man, the Sinners look beautiful on there. And one thing I like about it, it gives you a little thumbnail over here on the right side of your monitor. And so as soon as it's there, it'll end up picking it up just like it just did right there. And it'll pick it up. Remember, we're still in video. All right, so I can go back. But now, oops, if I go back one and go down, if I go into APKs, it's not going to give me anything. It's going, what the heck going on, Dale? Well, APKs is not videos, all right? It's only going to show videos. So when I go into movies, check it out. And I can go to Ballerina, and you see it give me a thumbnail. This is my son's video. It gives me a thumbnail. Halloween Ends, it gives me a thumbnail. So it automatically grabs a thumbnail. Megan, that just came out. Megan, that was in here 2022. But I did do something. I did put Woman in the Yard that came out in 2025. I gave it a folder. And I just wanted to see how it would work. And there it is right there. You get, you know, you get the thumbnail as well. All right. So again, that's pretty nice. And you can just go on here, and if I wanted to just click my son video, I just click on it and it'll go right from there. I got the volume down because it does have music in there, but it plays without no issue. All right. None whatsoever. So again, music, remember we're in video. So when we go into music, all right, when we go into Luther Vandross, it's not going to give me anything because the music is MP3s or FLAC and not a video. All right, so I think y'all starting to get it, including like retro games and TV shows. Now, TV shows, it should give me that. I only got one TV show in here, and as you see it right here, everything gets a thumbnail, Godfather or Harlem. All right, but now if I wanted to go into the photos, right? I do have some pictures on here. I can go in here and I can go down here to my pictures. All right. And I got some pictures up in here that I can disclose. As you see me and my bros right there. You see us when we went to the Pistons game. You see we're all clean and everything. We looking good and stuff like that. You see another one of me. Just clean. So if you really wanted to, you know, when people come over, and it automatically go into a slideshow, okay? As you see right there, you know. And so, again, very nice, all right? I'm going to come up out of here, all right? So we went into the pictures. All right, so again, you want to go into the music. I do have some music. Remember, it didn't show music at first, right? But now I'm going to go down to the music, and guess what? Now we got music. All right, Luther Vandross again. I'm not going to play any of that because I don't want to get copyright. But I can go down to YouTube Music, and I can actually play this, right? So I can play like Bird, right? And I can just turn it up. Let me just turn it up because I know I got it turned down. And you'll hear it come up. And this is YouTube Music right here. So I can play that. I can go down and play some more if I wanted to. I could just go down here. All right. Y'all probably heard this song quite a bit back in my day. Things like that. I could just go and just. So it's pretty nice. All right. So let me turn this down. All right. I could have turned it down from the remote as well. I'm going to just turn it down from here. All right. I'm going to just turn it down. So let me grab it again. And so anyway, and then finally, guys, if you just want to get to everything, which I would probably do, I would probably just go into the folder, which is right here. There's a little purple icon. I will go up in there. And that way it'll go into the local C. And if you want to see movies, you can get to your movies. And I'll just show you that it does work. As you see right there, beautiful picture. And this is 4K, all right? 2160, all right? And you see the size of it right there, all right? You see it's MKV. And again, beautiful picture, man. I mean, just look at the picture. I mean, it's just, and it starts right up. No stuttering, no anything. Beautiful. All right. If I want to see APKs, remember, if I wanted to see it, it's going to show all the APKs right there on here. All right. If I wanted to go into movies, just the regular movies, all right, I can just go up in here and let me just say, if I wanted to watch Megan, I can go and it starts right up, no hiccup. And the picture, this is 1080p. The picture is beautiful and it tells you right there the size of it and you see it right there. Okay. All right. So again, if I wanted to go into music, all my music is going to be here. Like this is all of my music that I have on here. And all I have to do is click on it and it will play. You'll see it right down there. The volume is down though, but that's the song that's playing right there. And so again, this is very, and I got a few of these media players. I love it. If I want to get to my pictures, I can do my pictures like some YouTube stuff. You know, y'all see it right there. Look how vivid that is, man. That's very, very nice. And again, it'll give you a slideshow, but you see, hopefully the colors is popping on here. All right. And that's that new Superman. He just get his tail whipped. All right. And so again, retro games, TV shows, video clips. So again, I got them all right there. But guys, this is a very nice. If you really want to just get some, or maybe you want to just somebody who's not, savvy with, the Fire Stick, the on 4K, and you just want to keep it simple for them, you can get this device and put some 4K on there, put some movies on there. And look, if they can't figure this out, they don't need it. All right. Tell them to continue with traditional TV. All they got is 5 selections, right? They want to watch a movie. You can set them up, watch a movie. Jay, just go into your videos and hit the local C, and here it is. You can set it up however you want. Just put movies on there, TV shows, and that'll be it. If they like music, you can put music on there. All right. It's simple as that, guys. But again, this is the device right here, man. This is it. Hopefully y'all can see it. The JLZNLC 4K Ultra HD Media Player. Again, I mean, if you don't have a Zadoo, you don't have a Fire Stick, you just want to keep it as simple as possible, then I think this is the next best thing. And again, all you need is a monitor. And again, you can use a flash drive or external hard drive up to 8 terabytes. Or you can just go ahead and get you, where is it at? What did I do with it? Right here. You can just get you one of these, right? Put it in the light a little bit so y'all can see it. Y'all can get a SATA drive, a SSD, all right, up to 8 terabytes. And there you have it right there, guys. So again, the 4K Ultra HD media player, very, very nice. Again, check it out. You'll see everything, right? Y'all see my little power station right there. You see my bag of goodies, everything right there. The goal is to get out here, and y'all remember this, boy. Old school right there, all right? So again, guys, thank y'all. Hopefully y'all like this video. Thumbs up. Again, I get more in depth with this on the live show on Mondays and Fridays, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thumbs up the video, share this video. Man, this is definitely a go. All right, and it's just beautiful, man. And if you got you a great television or a good monitor or something like that, the colors are going to pop. That 4K look beautiful on Avatar. It looks beautiful, all right? So thumbs up the videos, guys. Thumbs it up, and I will talk to you on the next one. This is Superdell, and I'm signing out. Peace.